Artificial lightning from a high voltage generator. The large coil with a metal dome on top is a Tesla coil. This particular coil can develop voltages in the region of several million volts. In operation, the smooth dome electrode allows a high potential to be generated before a spark is initiated. This permits long, high-energy, lightning-like discharges to be reliably formed. The manikin in the unearthed shelter is not safe from the lightning. The main discharge hits the metal roof, but the current can find no other easy path to ground except through the conducting body of the unfortunate manikin.